Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about decorator design pattern. What is it? Decorator design pattern comes under category of structural design pattern that allows you to dynamically add a new behavior to an object without altering its structure or modifying its code. It wraps the original object with a new object which called a decorator that adds the new behavior while still respecting the original interface. When to use it? We use it when you want to add responsibilities to individual objects without changing their classes, or when subclassing is not practical, too many combinations, and when you want to compose behavior at runtime. Example, imagine you order a plain coffee. Then you ask to add some milk and sugar. The base is still coffee, but milk and sugar are decorators that wrap the original cup of coffee and enhance its taste. The structure of this pattern: component, which is the interface or abstract class that defining the operations; concrete component, the original object; and decorator, abstract class that wraps a component and implements the same interface; and concrete decorator adds the new behavior before or after delegating to the original object. The benefits of this pattern: adds behavior without modifying original classes, support the runtime composition of features, and follow OCP, open-closed principle. The drawbacks of this pattern: can lead to many small classes and can make debugging more difficult due to nested layers. Let's deep dive into coding. Here I have interface called shape, which have function draw, and circle class, which implement my interface shape and override the method draw, which will print draw a circle. Okay, and the same with a rectangle class that implement the same interface shape and override a draw method and print inside it draw a rectangle. I will create a shape decorator which have instance from the shape interface called decorated shape, and inside it I define a function called draw and call decorator shape.draw, the method which exists inside the interface. And this red shape decorator which extend the shape decorator, okay, and implement the interface shape. There is overridden method of draw, and during it I say set border, which will set a border color red to the behavior of the shape and pass the shape to it. If I need to run this, I will take an instance circle from circle class and print circle with normal border, then call circle.draw. So this will return a circle, and red shape decorator, and pass to it something from shape type, which is new circle, and print circle of red border. Then I call red circle.draw, and the same but with rectangle. If I run this, it will print at the first circle with normal border, draw, circle, and circle of red border. I add new behavior to the original class, which is draw a circle but with border color, and the same with rectangle. Thanks for watching and see you next video.